No, so then in a COVID case, Tarun, if it's a case of coronavirus, how much can an insurer actually cover? Because many people are unaware. They believe that, if a hospital bill and the expense comes to a few lakhs, which seems to be almost the case every single time now for these patients, they believe that the insurance company should come out and cover 100% of that cost. Is that possible?
Well, yes and no. You see, in terms of a claim, like every claim is the same for an insurance company, right? COVID just kind of escalated the whole thing. But when you let's say go with COVID to a hospital and you get treated there, let's say you're there for 10 days or 12 days, right? You will have a set of things that are covered and some which are not covered, right? And these are always explained to a customer when he's buying the policy. Now, in most cases, it is close to 100%. But in some cases, what we've realized is that there is some amount of inflation, there is some amount of addition to those bills which are not really covered, which is what is causing all the problems. And please remember, when the like what Dr. Prakash said, close to 100% of these claims are being settled. But see, insurance is a complaints category, right? Because the only time you will actually talk about it is when you have a problem, and those are getting far more attention than the ones that are actually being serviced. So I think there's a little bit of a gap here in terms of understanding. But yes, I think from a customer's point of view, nobody has the temerity to kind of question the fact that he should get a major part of his claim because he has paid for that policy. He has got his medical insurance done.
No, so, Dr. Prakash, one of the case studies that we have is of this woman who says that her hospital bill ran to the tune of almost 3 lakhs. And what she got from the insurance company is just about 11,000. Is there a problem here in getting, health insurance? And then if it's a COVID case, because in most of these COVID hospitalizations, some of the charges are, of course, that to do with room rent. And then you have the issue of also consumables. In most cases, in most insurances, that's not covered.
See, this may be one of its case, but usually in a health insurance policy, when there is a COVID claim, we do not pay only if there are charges made over and above the NPPA capping. If there is a drug used and there is a government or NPPA capping and the charges are over and above that, or if there are drugs that are used which do not form part of the clinical management protocol, then naturally such things will be denied. Apart from that, if the insurance company looks at unwanted or not so required tests but that are frequently repeated, or if there is a extra service charge or surcharge, nominal charges they usually pay. It is only the extra and exorbitant charges which are not paid. It is a myth that 3 lakh claimed amount, insurance has honored only 11,000. We have to look into the policy terms and conditions, because we are custodian of the common fund and we have to pay as per the policy terms and conditions. We are subject to audit, and insurance overall is a highly regulated industry.
Yeah.